Hi crochet lover, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope you all fine, enjoying your life well. Today we are hooking up a cute and fantastic crochet keychains designs ideas. Hopefully you like this video. Hopefully you like this all the ideas, all the design, all the beautiful keychains design patterns ideas. Get ready to create a personalized accessories that add a touch of handmade charm. Hopefully you like this video and all the pattern ideas. So please watch this video and without skip. And just tell me which video you want to see on my YouTube channel. I will do an idea of your comment. So let's start by using a yarn and a hook. That's designs. These designs are easy to knit at home. These designs fantastic, which add a touch of handmade elegance. To start, to add some extra fairy try adding some embellishments like button, beads, pearls, stones, and many other accessories you use and decor these all the keychains easily. For a customized color match, experiment with different yarn, color, and combination. And that's it. Your beautiful and lovely keychain is complete and ready to use, ready to gifting. Thanks for stitching along with me today. Do not forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more crochet ideas, video tutorial, and different designs ideas. If you want any question, if you want any idea about these designs and different ideas video, so please tell me in comment section which type of new video you want to see in my YouTube channel. I will explain you full detail with step by step in my next video. See you in the next video. If you want to see more ideas, so please visit my channel. Do not forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more crochet ideas, video and tutorial designs. And please be share your creativity with us on different social medias account using hashtag. Check out our next new more videos about crochet work and knitting work. I will upload many different type of videos on my YouTube channel. So do not forget to subscribe my channel, like my videos, and keep watching my more different ideas till end. If you visit many different websites and order your favorite design and pattern ideas, you visit many different websites like crochet, many different websites such as bpattern, etsy.com, clicky, daras.pk, and many different websites you visit and order your favorite design and pattern ideas. Okay viewers, take care. Thanks for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel. Okay viewers, bye bye.